All right, we're going to do one last problem. So this one is going to be another linear equation, or linear system. We're going to have 6 over x plus 3 over y equals 0. And let me erase that real quick. And then 4 over x plus 9 over y equals negative 1. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to say, well, you know what? We have these division by x and y here. So x and y cannot equal 0. So if we end up working this out and we get those answers, we have to throw them away. What I'm going to do, though, is the same sort of thing. Is I'm going to multiply both equations first by x and y, okay? And the reason is I want to get rid of the x and y in the denominators. I want to get rid of them. So my first equation is going to be, now, what I want you to notice, if I multiply this by x times y, the x cancels, so I'm just going to get 6y plus, similarly, if I multiply this by x times y, I'm going to get 3x. Similarly, for the second equation, 4y plus 9x equals negative x times y. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's do a balancing. So let's multiply row 1 by negative 3. So we're going to get negative 18y minus 9x equals 0. Keep row 2. Now we can add these two. Adding the two together, we get negative 14y equals negative x times y. Now, y is not allowed to equal 0. So that means we can just cancel it. So we get x equals 14. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same sort of thing. I'm going to do another elimination here. But I have to balance out. I have to balance out the y's so that the I have to balance out the y equation so that they cancel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take row 1 times 2 and row 2 times negative 3. And what are we going to get? 12y plus 6x equals 0. Negative 12y minus 27x equals negative 3xy. Oh, sorry, positive 3xy, because I had a negative here and multiplied by negative 3. Now, let me add them again. Adding them is going to give me negative 21x equals 3xy. Now, x is not allowed to equal 0, so I'm going to go ahead, I can cancel it. So I get negative 21 equals 3y, or y equals negative 7. So our answer here is x equals 14, y equals negative 7. All right, that's it for 7.1. We'll be back with 7.3 on Wednesday.